This is the unboxing of the Star Wars Boba Fett and Rancor 1/20th scale polystone statue by Iron Studios. So let's get to it. Here it is in the box. Move the box to the side here. Big boy, that's heavy. As always, I will try to get through this as fast. Painless as possible. Iron Studios uses tape on their crates that a little bit tougher to cut through than most collectible companies. This is a good thing. And a bad thing. Overall, a good thing, though. Here's what it looks like as you have it boxed. Let's get that is a heavy basis. Feels like it's almost 5 pounds. Oh wow. Very heavy. Okay. It looks like we've got Rancor next. Okay. This is looking to be a very well detailed. Okay, that's a separate piece. Okay, so I like to do. Ooh, he is in there. Okay, that's part of that. Okay. So it looks like you do the Rancor next. He's very solidly put together. Okay, that's going to be Boba Fett's arm. Let's see what those are underneath. Okay, so this is right here. Yep, okay. This must be, it's all one piece. Yep. So this is Rancor's other arm. Let's go on like that. It's magnetized. That's nice. Good. I like that. This looks like one of the set pieces. It is. It's a square. That goes here. Yep. Oh, that's cool. Okay, we got another set piece, I do believe. Very cool. Tracks. Let's do this other. What is it? other arm. Very cool. Okay. Anything in that? Nope. Just tightly wrapped. Okay. Here's a little Boba Fett. Oh yeah. Let's as good of a view as I can give during this. Oh, that's cool. Boba's backpack. Okay. Little jetpack. His backpack. His jetpack. There we go. Wonder why they put that on separate. Very interesting design choice. Oh, that's like a little piece missing. Like his blaster. An arm. So this must be an arm. Okay, put that down there. Oh, wait a second. Maybe that. These guns replaceable? Okay, let's get his other arm. So there's two arms. Oh, I'm silly. This arm is to him. I got that on wrong. Yeah, that looks great. Okay. Now, this must go on here. This no. It's not wanting to go in there. I'm not going to force it. We'll screw around with that later. It looks... It definitely is where it goes. This looks cool. All right. That is... Oh. One last set piece. No. I feel it wanting to be magnetized down. Okay. Go. Alright, that's the empty case. That's been the unboxing of the 1/20th Demi Art Scale Boba Fett riding Rancor by Iron Studios. Thank you for watching.